Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed about logo. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. Today we are going to learn some comments in logo. Okay, let us start the class. Last class we have discussed about logo and the logo title and the parts of the logo window. Logo is a programming language. Logo title means it's a small triangle that moves on the logo window. Today we are going to learn some instructions in logo. Okay, look here. This is the commander window. The first instruction is forward. The forward instruction is used to move the turtle forward. So, type there forward and 50. That means the turtle move 50 steps. So, execute it. Look here. The turtle move 50 steps. Okay, the forward command makes the turtle move forward. The format is forward, space, number of steps to move. The turtle move 50 steps forward and to draws a line. Okay, leave a blank space between commands and the number of steps and press the enter key. Okay, the forward command is used to make the turtle move forward. We can also write FD. FD 50. Then execute the command. It's again move 50 steps forward. We can write the instruction as forward or FD. It is very difficult to write forward. So we can write FD only. FD means forward instruction. It is used to move the turtle forward. Okay, all of you understand. What is the use of forward? The forward command makes the turtle move forward. The syntax is FD space number of steps. Then press the enter key. Okay, next command is left. Left command is used to turn the turtle to left. Type left, then give the angle. Okay, the left command turns the turtle head to the left side in anti-clock direction. Here, I type the angle as 90 degree. Look the window. The turtle head turn left side. Okay, left command turns the turtle head to the left side in anti-clock direction. Okay, all of you understand? The format is left space then angle. Okay. In this command, the angle turn 90 degree. Turn left by 90 degree. Here, I again give forward direction. So, forward 50, then execute. So, the turtle move 50 steps forward. Okay. We can also write the left as LT. LT space give the degree of angle. 90 degree. The turtle head turn the left side to anti-clock direction. Okay. Here also I again give the forward instruction FT, number of steps to move. So it's make a line. Then another instruction is write. The write command turns the turtle head to the right side in clockwise direction. Okay, look here. It is move, turn the turtle heads to clockwise direction to right side. Okay, here I write right 45 degrees. So the head turns right to 45 degree. Again I write RT 55. It's also right RT. So 45 plus 45, 90. So the turtle head right by 90 degree. Turn right by 90 degree. Okay, the RT instructions is also right. Right instruction also right RT. Okay. Then here I again write forward instruction FT 50. So it's move forward to 50 steps. Okay. Then next command is backward. This command makes the turtle move backward. Type backward, then leave space, type the steps. Here I type backward 200. So the message show I don't know how to backward. So the instruction backward is not found here. So we just type only back. Back 200. Okay, so the turtle moved to the back 200 steps. Okay, the instruction backward represented as back. Otherwise, we can use BK. BK space number of steps. BK 200. It's again move 200 steps back. Okay, these are the basic commands in logo. Forward. The forward command is used to move the turtle to forward. Then left. It is used to turn the turtle to left side. Then right. The right command is used to turn the turtle head to right side. Right command is used to turn the turtle head to right side. Okay. Then another one is back or BK. It is used to move the turtle to backward. Okay, these are the basic commands in logo turtle. By using these commands, we can draw many shapes in logo, many pictures in logo. Okay. I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.